this is Lisa Brisky. The other video I showed you how I made my conditioner. In this video I'm going to show you how I make my shampoo. First, you need a jar. I'm using this. You can use plastic or anything else. Then you need 1 cup of water. And you need 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Pour it in here. And then I'm using lavender, but you can use whatever favorite your scent is. You just use 5 drops. And then you cover it. And then you just shake it up. And that's how I make my shampoo. Every time you use it, you just shake it. Thank you.